Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Khalid, and in this informative tutorial, I want to share concept of fit teaching. Fit teaching stands for flexible and inclusive approach to teaching. It ensures high quality teaching and learning. Fit tool embeds the highest form of teacher practice into the leading level of the rubrics. This level indicates teacher willingness and ability to collaborate with colleagues and efforts to enhance the larger school community. For example, teaching fundamental lab skills in a blended mode. So friends, the idea behind fit teaching is that the teacher has got a thought of reaching to the student's level. It can be a SOD child, it can be a lower ability student, it can be a gifted and talented student, it can be a middle level or middle ability level student. So as per the learning style of the student, as per the level of the student, the teacher goes into that or to that level and teach the student so that the student can have a levels of progression or progress in the topic. So that is all about fit teaching. So fit teaching helps to achieve the success criteria, the lesson objective in the classroom. That's all about fit teaching. Now, as you can see, the fit teaching concept has got tools also. So in tools, I want to share, these are the 5 components of fit teaching tool. First, as you can see, planning with purpose. So planning with purpose is basically how you are going into the classroom, what is your lesson objective and what lesson plan you have made for the classroom, that is planning with purpose. Cultivating a learning climate, how you are making the students feel interested into the topic, that is all about learning climate. If the student is not feeling interested to learn in that particular topic which you want to teach, then that is not a learning climate. There should be no behavior issues in your classroom. The teacher and student should be in a very friendly mode, in a learning mode and teaching mode as well. Then third is instructing with intention. Intention basically means that when the teacher is giving instruction to the student, it should be focused on the learning and increasing the knowledge of the student space. That's the intention of the teacher should be there in the classroom. Assessing with the system is the next point, is the next tool. Assessment basically means that first there should be a peer assessment. One student should assess another student's work in the classroom. Then it should go to the teacher assessment. That is called assessment methods or assessing with a system. Or it can be self-assessment, that student is doing his or her assessment, then moving on to peer assessment. Then in last, it goes to the teacher assessment. And in last, it is impacting student learning. This is most important, that after 40 or 50 minutes of teaching inside the classroom, what are the learning outcomes you are achieving from that? Have you achieved your success criteria? Have you achieved your main activity goal in the classroom? Have you achieved your lesson plan objectives in the classroom? This is all about impacting student learning. Are student motivated for the next session, for that particular session? This is all about student learning. So these are the 5 components of fit teaching tool, and I hope you will understand more about fit teaching in future lessons, and hope that you will share your ideas on how I can improve on my teaching, how I can share better ideas with all of you. I am really thankful to you for watching this tutorial so far, and please share your feedback on how I can improve on teaching and coaching 2020 @gmail.com. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial.